Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a long time, and we are going out and sledding. So that's gonna be fun. You ready? Yeah? Okay. Oh wow, it is windy. So as you guys can see, the middle part is kind of the door, and that's how high the snow is. Alright, go for it, go, run, do it, run.
It's too cold.
Oh babe, come on, run. What you just, yeah, just do it. Oh my god. Yeah, we are in the middle of my street. It's literally a ghost town. It's just windy as hell, and the snow's just piling up. It sucks. Hey guys, so this snowstorm sucks. See how deep this snow. Too deep. Halifax is like closed right now, and it's like and the winds are at like I think 90 kilometers an hour this year and today, but we're still gonna slide. And this is Moss Manor. It is literally buried, like it's like a quarter buried over there. And then in the driveway's not so bad. There's like a little bumper right here, I guess. And then the vehicles don't look actually that bad. And then, well, there's like halfway up to like the basketball net. I'm tired climbing up that driveway. Thoughts?
Tired.
You're tired. We're all tired. This better not hurt. I know it's a bit blurry, guys, but go for it.
Well, look. I'm stuck.
This is how deep it is. Look, our hot tub is covered. It's just so bad. And it's literally up to the middle of my thigh. Like, what? Help? Help? No, you're not stuck. I'm gonna go to that corner. I'm gonna jump out. I know it's safe. That's why. It's actually pretty deep over here. It is. Am I belly flop or what?
Yeah. Hurt yourself. Hurt yourself.
I'm gonna jump.
Go.
Ready?
Yeah, go. Wow.
Hi.
You good?
Yeah.
Is it hurt?
No.
Okay.
There's snow in places I don't want to talk about.
Okay.
Jump, 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 jump. I'm recording, jump. Hey, jump.
Did it?
No, you didn't, jump. Jump.
I don't want to.
Jump. Jump. You said you were going to?
I know.
Jump.
What if Brian sees me?
Come on, do it. I'm peer pressuring you. Fly like an eagle.
Ah! Why did I jump like that?
Now she's buried up to her waist. Oh my god. You alright? You good?
I am one with the snow.
It's so deep.
Bring me a hot chocolate.
What?
Bring me a hot chocolate.
Nay. You alright? You gotta come back? Oh my god, it's such a storm. And it's supposed to go all night and then a bit of tomorrow too. So it's gonna be, what do you do? Oh my god. Oh my god. You good? You making snow angels? No? There she goes. Wait, wait, wait. I'm coming over. I'm coming over. Hello.
Hello.
Are you dead?
Yep.
Okay. Have a nice night or afterlife. You know what? I think deer came through though. I don't know.
I can't see.
Oh, there you go. What? What's that?
I can't see.
You know what? You make this a pretty comfy chair. Well, if I can tell you, I can sit here all night. Like, everything's just buried. Like I don't gotta go to work though. And no school for you. Yeah. You know what? That was pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. But oh, she's a blowing. Oh, look at that. Look at that. The wind is blowing so hard. The lens is kind of blurry, and I know I am now tired from all that. Hey, Kate. Hey, you little cutie. Little cutie. Hi. Sassy one. We are gonna take everything off and go chill out. I love Canada, but you know, the snow just takes a toll. It's like, not today. So it has been a couple of days, and yet we got another 15 centimeters last night. So this was the aftermath of the last clips you guys saw, and today. So these are the hills by the house, and it's literally up to my torso. Like, it's really high. That part's kind of high, and then the backyard is actually somewhat bad, but it's not too bad. This is the path we dug for the shed, and then this is the path to the oil tank, and it's like literally like up to my torso as well. That's the stairs to the patio. Yeah, this is gonna be fun doing all this. There's like a little crevice. But yeah, that's the outcome of all the snowstorms we had. We are having another one tonight, so that's gonna be great. All this snow in like 1 week is like driving us crazy. Like this, like I've worked one day out of the 5 that we've had. It's just not good. But if you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It is a little different. Like, I'm trying to get videos, I don't know, like, I'll film something that's one subject, just not like one vlog that contains a day. I'll do like a subject that is going on. So this snowstorm, you know, like, we just had our little fun, and then we shoveled it. It took us 3.5 hours the first time, and then today, I don't know, like an hour and a half maybe-ish. But that's just from shoveling, and we do have a really big driveway. But anyways, hope you guys like this video. I know it's a little different, but it's not too bad. Anyway, guys, subscribe. Anyway. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Would love to have you aboard this amazing family, trying to make it grow. And hopefully one day my dream will come true of being a YouTuber. Love y'all. I'll see you next time. Bye.